What's the number one tax strategy for retirees? In today's episode, we're going to talk about it. For most people, the biggest issue is when you pull those dollars out, and let's say you need to live normally on $5,000 a month or whatever your number is, you pull out $5,000. But that $5,000 isn't really $5,000 because you have to take taxes into account. You know, maybe you and your advisor or whoever you've been visiting with hadn't really taken that into account. At the end of the year, there is one man who's going to take that into account, and that's Uncle Sam. So one of the questions that comes to mind that several investors have asked me, how do I face that issue, and is there anything I can do to pay less in taxes? And yes, there are. But I want to tell you a quick story. I had a couple that were very, very pleased with how I helped them in transitioning their retirement dollars. The lady had a Russian background, and she gave me one of those Russian dolls. You know, when you twist it off the top, there was another doll, and there was another doll, and then again, another doll. What ended up happening, there happened to be about 4 or 6 different dolls, and they all became a little bit smaller as we kept twisting them and putting them out along the table, and they were really beautiful. The reason I'm telling you this is because I have an investment that can address many of the issues that a retired person like yourselves face, as an example, life insurance. It also gives you the ability to avoid probate. It gives you something that's extremely important, a tax-free withdrawal that you can live off of some of the dollars rather than paying taxes on those dollars. These are things that are extremely important because, like I said earlier, when the taxman takes its bite out of your dollars, it's very hard to replace those. And last but not least, it gives you the comfort to know that you have a stream of tax-free income coming back to you. Now, another question that was always asked to me is, how come my agent never brought this to my attention? Back in the late 70s, early 80s, this product was out there and it was heavily used. But like everything, headlines go up, they go down. People go into favor and out of favor. There's nothing wrong with the product. It's just one of those things. Today, it's resurging again because there are over 10,000 baby boomers every single day turning of age. That's a major concern. It's a major concern to them. It's a major concern on how they're going to be able to address their personal issues, and will they have enough money to last them for their lifetime. I love to tell you about this product, how it might work for you, and if it's the right fit. Give me a call. I'm Mark Gardner with Your Money Matters. If you like this episode and like to talk with us about your portfolio, give us a call at the number below. We'd love to help.